Hey, Deja, where you at? What's up, y'all? It's your boy French. Right now I'm editing this video. It's real nice outside. We finna run up on campus and whatnot. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. I'm out.
All right, timestamp January 12th, 2018. We are in IKEA. First road trip of the year. We're only in Atlanta though, so. Demetrius, say hey.
What's up?
All right, he's trying to get some trees. Shoe.
You said what?
Say whatever you have to say to the camera.
I thought it was Snapchat. I didn't know it was for your vlog.
Yes, it's for a vlog.
Well, hello.
Why you do all that extraness just now?
The same reason why your mouth dropped when you saw them two women walk by.
Listen, there is nothing better than a natural black woman, and there was two of them. All right, it's that simple. They were fun. So what is it? How many more black and white?
Pick your mouth up, bro.
Bruh. How many
He
more
tried
black?
to lick his.
How many more black?
He tried to.
That's
You seen her face? You seen her face? She said.
That's what you should have got.
That better be in there. Yeah, pick yourself up. Huh? Booty. There's 10 of them here, but I'm saying
5 more.
No, I only need 6, but I'm gonna get 10.
Really, nigga?
What?
You only need 6?
Yeah, but I'm gonna get 10 because I have 7 at the house right now. How can I wear me no more?
Eat it up like it's a meal.
Record us.
You know it's a video, right?
All right, y'all, come on.
I'm just saying.
We're zooming in, bro. That's not what.
Don't do that.
Don't do that, bro. Stop.
Okay, what are you
all right,
doing
let's
right
go. Dimitri talking some budget. Let's go.
He's on your head.
1,300.
My budget is 0.
You got a
Alright,
super
come
strict budget, huh?
Chop chop.
Bro, if you was gonna be serious about it, I was gonna start recording right now. You want me to start playing music?
Bro, yeah.
Bro, say less. Here, say less. All right, so what song you want to hear?
Oh, so you was the hoe that was sleeping with my man. Oh, you was the.
Hey,
I'm posting this on my page.
I'm mad. Everybody just really ignored it. They were like, not my business.
Bro, I did a whole flash mob.
Yeah, you missed it. Hold up, bro. I'm just saying, this is so nice right here. Bro, I need to get cut. Y'all hear that? Bro, stop playing. Yo, we. Okay, come look at this. Look.
You think I can make it through that?
I think you can.
Huh? Ready? Set. Go, 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 go.
Few inches later.
Oh.
Put your butt down.
She's trying to pull her way through it. I'm sick.
The next day.
Yo, this is hilarious.
Y'all help me.
Many unbearable hours later.
Stay still, stay still, stay still, stay still, stay still. Stay still. You don't listen. I told you can get through it. How y'all day going? How y'all day going though? Hey, last but not least, y'all know y'all gotta come through with that. We We got cookout on the go. You know what I'm talking about? All right, let's slide. Pose. That's your pose? Okay. Hey, Deja, where you at? What's up, Snapchat? Today we're gonna teach y'all how to finesse the movie theater. Okay. Y'all day going today.
Amazing. Oh,
amazing.
yes.
Okay. Record the process real quick.